Starting and running a business can be exhausting, especially when you don't understand where your next client is coming from. But after watching this video, you will be having a different problem, which is having too many clients. But isn't that a good problem to have in business? Today, we are going to discuss how you can get high-paying clients for your service-based business without having to spend time in front of a camera or without having to burn money on ads. Today, we are going to talk about how to get high-paying clients for your business through cold outreach. Cold outreach has been a main factor of success across all our businesses to earn close to $10 million within the last 3 years. It has been the exact reason why we get clients that on average pay us $8,200 every month, while we are just doing 1 hour of work per month to fulfill their service. So make sure to watch the video till the end, as this is not going to be just theory and information, but rather transformation in your business. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, this is your chance to do it, because you are going to get massive value in our videos. Now you might be wondering, does cold outreach still work in 2024? The answer is a big yes. In fact, with cold outreach, the sky is the limit. An acquaintance of mine has scaled his agency to $42,000 just through cold outreach. It's this powerful and it still works in 2024. So there are two main principles that you need to follow when doing cold outreach, regardless of the delivery method you choose. Whether it's Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn, email, or even Instagram, these principles are very simple and easy to understand, and I'm happy to share them with you in this video. Framework number 1 is don't be boring. Unfortunately, many people do not follow this rule. They send messages that make the recipient roll their eyes after just 2 sentences. Therefore, the number 1 rule is to not be boring, or even better, don't be lame. The second rule is to answer the what's in it for them question very early on. Just like at the beginning of this video, you clicked on this video for a reason. Therefore, I'm gonna have to deliver on the promise of this video and reassure you. People's attention spans are short these days, so you need to answer the what's in it for them question quickly. Most cold messages these days do not grab attention. Getting attention quickly is vital when you're sending a cold outreach. Say something unconventional or surprising that piques the prospect's interest and shuts down their skepticism. If you can do this, your chances of success will skyrocket. Remember, your goal is to get the prospect to hit reply, not to get them on a call immediately. Getting clients is very similar to dating. You need to build rapport and trust and make them feel at ease. To drive this point home, I'm going to show you a cold message that we've received and explain why it didn't work. Hi Kareem, love what you're doing with your coaching business. I'd love to know more about you and what you do to see if I can help you in any way. What inspired you to be a coach? Okay, so first of all, why does this person want to know about what inspired me to be a coach? Secondly, this approach is quite generic and impersonal. I don't believe that person has any knowledge or understanding of a coaching business. And frankly, it seems like this person is asking me to invest my time and effort in talking about myself with no real payoff. So as a busy person, I don't feel like sending a few paragraphs about why I started my business or what inspired me. I'm sorry, but I will immediately think this is not a good fit. So when crafting a cold message, you can always add some humor or personalization, as it will always have a higher chance of a reply from the prospect. For example, you can say, "Hey John, I'm obsessed with you," not in a creepy stalker type of way. Rather, I just can't help but watch every piece of content you're putting out there, and you've been expanding my mind with your content. That's why I'm reaching out. I read in your last post how you said that September can be a slow time of the year for getting new clients, and I agree, but what's crazy is in the last 2 years, September has been one of my best months, and the reason why has to do with one simple tweak I made to my Facebook messaging. This tweak takes 20 seconds to implement, but it's really helped me a ton when it comes to client acquisition. And since you've given me so much value already through your videos, I'd be more than happy to share with you. Just let me know by replying to this message and I'll send it over. This was just an example of a cold message, and feel free to use it for your agency. If you want to reach more clients, you need to do outreach at scale. Sending only 10 messages per day won't get you enough clients. As competition is growing every day, you need to be clever about your outreach strategies. Congratulations on reaching this point in the video. You're learning advanced techniques that aren't taught elsewhere. But But we're not done yet. Successful businesses track everything and know their numbers. That's what we want to do for your business. So let's talk about tracking. It's like having a treasure map for your business. You need to track everything, including the number of outreach messages, response rates, how people respond to different messages, and A/B testing different types of messages. You can use Google Sheets to track everything. Even though it may seem boring, tracking everything will make a significant difference. You know exactly how many messages you need to send to earn $1,000. Imagine you need to make $1,000 to pay for something within 3 days. With proper tracking, you'll know exactly how many messages to send, appointments to book, and deals to close. And voila! You'll have the $1,000 you need. Have we covered a lot today? We've gone beyond the surface and delved deep into the complexities of effortlessly attracting high-paying clients via cold outreach. The secrets we've shared today are practical, actionable, and designed to fuel your journey to success. So if you found today's insights valuable, why not show some love? A thumbs up lets us know we're on the right track, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a steady stream of in-depth content just like this. And the adventure doesn't end here. It's time for you to step out now and start making those connections that will take your business to new heights. So thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, leave them in the comments below. We read and respond to each one individually. Also, for more content, see our other videos. Until next time, I'm Kareem signing off. Keep hustling and succeeding, and I'll see you in the next one.